Hello students, we have completed 4th unit, that is a vector differentiation recently. I hope you have learned it very well. Now let us go to 5th unit, that is vector integration. So in this unit we discuss 3 important vector integral theorems, that is number 1 Green's theorem, number 2 Stokes theorem, number 3 Gauss divergence theorem. These theorems deals with conversion of line integral, double integral, volume integral. First we discuss a line integral. Line integral is a natural generalization of concept of definite integral. That means only a line integral is in using single integration. Second one is a surface integral. A surface integral is a natural generalization of concept of double integral. So in this surface integral we have to use double integral. Third one is volume integral. A volume integral is generalization of triple integral. So in this volume integral we have to use 3 integrals. So first we discuss Green's theorem, the statement of Green's theorem. Let S be a closed region in xy plane enclosed by a curve C. Let M and N be continuously differentiable vector point function. Then the formula of Green's theorem is closed integral M dx plus N dy equal to double integral dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y dx dy. So this is the statement of Green's theorem. Next, the statement of Gauss divergence theorem is let S be a closed surface enclosed by a volume if f bar is a continuous differentiable vector point function, then integral over v means volume, divergence f bar equal to integral over s f bar dot n bar ds. In this formula n bar is unit normal vector. So this formula is in Cartesian form. Triple integral dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z of dx dy dz equal to double integral f1 dy dz plus f2 dx dz plus f3 dx dy. So this is the statement of Gauss divergence theorem. Next theorem is Stokes theorem. Let S be a open surface bounded by a closed curve C and f bar is continuously differentiable vector point function. Then the statement of Stokes theorem is closed integral f bar dot dr bar equal to integral over surface S curl f bar dot n bar ds. Here n bar is a unit normal vector. Now let us go to line integral. So line integral means we have to do problems in single integral. Any integral which is evaluated along a curve is called line integral. So the formula of line integral is total work done by force is integral f bar dot dr bar. One more important point is curl f bar equal to 0 bar, then f bar is said to be conservative force field in line integral. Now we have to discuss problems in line integral. First problem is if f bar equal to xy I bar minus z j bar plus x square k bar and C is a curve, that equation x equal to t square, y equal to 2t, z equal to t cube from t equal to 0 to 1, then evaluate integral f bar dot dr bar. So solution is first we write given f bar equal to xy I bar minus zj bar plus x square k bar and given curve equations x equal to t square, y equal to 2t and z equal to t cube. Let position vector r bar equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar and differentiate r bar. Dr bar equal to dxi bar plus dyj bar plus dzk bar, and also given x equal to t square, dx equal to 2t dt, and y equal to 2t, dy equal to 2 dt, z equal to t cube, dz equal to 3t square dt. Now we find f bar dot dr bar equal to, f bar is given vector xyi bar minus zj bar plus x square k bar dot dr bar is dxi bar plus dyj bar plus dz k bar. Now we using dot product, we get xy into dx, I bar at I bar is 1 minus z into dy, j bar at j bar is 1 plus x square dz, k bar at k bar is 1. So that equal to xy dx minus z dy plus x square dz. Integral f bar dot dr bar equal to integral, already we find f bar dot dr bar is xy dx minus z dy plus x square dz. So that equal to, in line integral we have to use only single integral and single variable. Now substitute x equal to t square, y equal to 2t, z equal to t cube, and dx equal to 2t dt, dy equal to 2 dt, dz equal to 3d square dt. Now t limits are 0 to 1. So that equal to integral 0 to 1 t square 2t dt, and dx is 2t minus z is t cube, dy is 2 dt plus x square is t power 4, dz is 3t square dt. That equal to, first term is 4 integral 0 to 1, 4 is constant, so 4 integral 0 to 1 t power 4 dt minus second term is 2 integral 0 to 1 t cube dt plus third term is 3 integral 0 to 1 t power 6 dt. That equal to 4 into t power 4 integration is t power 5 by 5, limits 0 to 1 minus 2 into t cube integration is t power 4 by 4 with the limits 0 to 1 plus 3 into t power 6 integration is t power 7 by 7 with the limits 0 to 1. Then substitute t equal to 1 upper limit and t equal to 0 lower limit. We get 4 by 5 minus 2 by 4 plus 3 by 7. Finally, we get 51 by 70. Second problem is, evaluate integral f bar dot dr bar, where f bar equal to 3xy I bar minus y square j bar, and C is a parabola y equal to 2x square from 0 0 to 1 2. Solution is, given f bar equal to 3xy I bar minus y square j bar, and given equation of parabola y equal to 2x square. Let position vector r bar equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar, and dr bar equal to dxi bar plus dyj bar plus dzk bar, and given y equal to 2x square, which implies dy equal to 4x dx. Now we find f bar dot dr bar equal to, f bar is given vector 3xy I bar minus y square j bar dot dr bar is dxi bar plus dyj bar plus dz k bar. Using dot product, we get 3xy dx minus y square dy. So integrate both sides. Integral f bar dot dr bar equal to integral 3xy dx minus y square dy. So separate the integrals. Integral 3xy dx minus integral y square dy. So line integral is a single integral. Then we have to change x 3x into y. Y means 2x square dx minus y square means 2x square whole square, and dy equal to 4x dx. That is integral we have to change in the integral in x variable. So we take x limits 0 to 1, 3x into 2x square into dx minus 2x square whole square into 4x dx. In first term 6 is constant. So 6 integral 0 to 1 x cube dx minus 16 into integral 0 to 1 x power 5 dx. That equal to 6 into x cube integration is x power 4 by 4 with the limits 0 to 1 minus 16 into x power 5 integration is x power 6 by 6 with the limits 0 to 1. That equal to, in first term is 3 by 2 minus second term is 8 by 3. That equal to, finally we get minus 7 by 6. Next problem is, if f bar equal to 5xy minus 6x square I bar plus 2y minus 4x j bar, evaluate integral f bar dot dr bar along the curve in xy plane y equal to x cube from points 1, 1 to 2, 8. In this problem, given f bar equal to 5xy minus 6x square I bar plus 2y minus 4x j bar, and also given equation of the curve y equal to x cube. Let the position vector r bar equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar and y equal to x cube. Dr bar equal to dxi bar plus dyj bar plus dzk bar and y equal to x cube. So differentiate with respect to x. Y is dy equal to x cube is 3x square dx. Now we will find f bar dot dr bar equal to, f bar is already given, 5xy minus 6x square I bar plus 2y minus 4x j bar dot dr bar is dxi bar plus dyj bar plus dzk bar. Using dot product, we get 5xy minus 6x square dx plus 2y minus 4x dy. Taking integration on both sides, integral f bar dot dr bar equal to integral 5xy minus 6x square dx plus 2y minus 4x dy. That equal to, so in this integration we have to change, we have to apply y equal to x cube and dy equal to 3x square dx. So this integration may be changed into the variable x. So we have to take the limits, x limits. Given points 1, 1 to 2, 8. That means x limits are 1 to 2. So integral 1 to 2 5x, then substitute y equal to x cube minus 6x square dx plus 2 into y means x cube minus 4x into dy means 3x square dx. That equal to integral 1 to 2, first integration is integral 1 to 2 5 x power 4 dx minus second term is integral 1 to 2 6x square dx plus third term is integral 1 to 2 6x power 5 dx minus integral 1 to 2 12x cube dx. That equal to 5 is a constant. X power 4 integration is x power 5 by 5 with the limits 1 to 2 minus 6 is a constant. X square different integration is x cube by 3 with the limits 1 to 2 plus 6 into x power 5 integration is x power 6 by 6 with the limits 1 to 2 minus 12 into x cube integration is x power 4 by 4 with the limits 1 to 2. That equal to x power 5 limits 1 to 2 minus 2 into x cube with the limits 1 to 2 plus x power 6 limits 1 to 2 minus 3 into x power 4 with the limits 1 to 2. Then substitute, upper limit is 2 and lower limit is 1. Finally we get answer is 35. Next problem is, find the work done in a moving particle in the force field F bar equal to 3x square I bar plus 2xz minus yj bar plus zk bar along the straight line from the points 0, 0, 0 and 2, 1, 3. So solution is given f bar equal to 3x square I bar plus 2xz minus yj bar plus zk bar. Let position vector r bar equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar, which implies dr bar equal to dxi bar plus dyj bar plus dzk bar. Now we will find f bar dot dr bar, that equal to given f bar is 3x square I bar plus 2xz minus yj bar plus zk bar dot dr bar is dxi bar plus dyj bar plus dzk bar. Using product we get 3x square dx plus 2xz minus y dy plus z dz. In this problem, directly not given the equation of the curve. So, we will find the equation of the curve. So, given points 0, 0, 0 and 2, 1, 3. Now, we will find the equation of the curve. So, passing through the any given 2 points, that equation is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, that equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, that equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. So this is the equation of the given 2 points x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2. Then substitute x1 is 0, y1 is 0, z1 is 0 and x2 is 2, y2 is 1, z2 is 3. So that equal to, we get the equation x by 2 equal to y by 1 equal to z by 3 equal to say some constant t. So x equal to 2t, y equal to t, z equal to 3t. Then differentiate with respect to x, y, z. We get dx equal to 2 dt, dy equal to dt, and dz equal to 3 dt. So given equation is changed into the variable t. So the curve equations x, y, z are changed into the single variable t. Now we want the limits, t limits. So t varies from 0 to 1. That means y equal to t. So this is the curve equation. Y limits are in the given points, y limits are 0 to 1. So y equal to t. That means t varies from 0 to 1. Now we have to write integral f bar dot dr bar equal to integral. Already we find f bar dot dr bar 3x square dx plus 2xz minus y dy plus z dz. Now substitute x equal to 2t, y equal to t, z equal to 3t and dx equal to 2 dt, dy equal to dt, dz equal to 3 dt. So integral f bar dot dr bar will be changed into single variable t. Now we have to write t limits are 0 to 1. So integral 0 to 1 12t square plus 24t square plus 8t d, that equal to integral 0 to 1 36t square plus 8t dt. So separate the integrations, 2 terms, that equal to, we will get 36 is a constant, t square integration is t cube by 3 with the limits 0 to 1 plus 8 is a constant, t integration is t square by 2 with the limits 0 to 1, that equal to, finally we get 16. Next problem is find the work done by f bar equal to 2x minus y minus z I bar plus x plus y minus z j bar plus 3x minus 2y minus 5z k bar and given circle x square plus y square equal to 9 and z equal to 0. Given f bar equal to 2x minus y minus z I bar plus x plus y minus z j bar plus 3x minus 2y minus 5z k bar. Let the position vector is r bar equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar and dr bar equal to dxi bar plus dyj bar plus dz k bar. Now we have to find f bar dot dr bar equal to f bar is given vector and dr bar is dxi bar plus dyj bar plus dzk bar. Using dot product we get 2x minus y minus z dx plus x plus y minus z dy plus 3x minus 2y minus 5z dz. And also given circle equation x square plus y square equal to 9 and z equal to 0. So z equal to 0, which implies dz equal to 0. Then substitute z equal to 0 and dz equal to 0 in f bar dot dr bar. We get f bar dot dr bar equal to 2x minus y dx plus x plus y dy plus 3x minus 2y into 0. So finally we get 2x minus y dx plus x plus y dy. Integral f bar dot dr bar equal to integral f bar dot dr bar is 2x minus y dx plus x plus y dy. So in this problem, not given points and not given limits. So we have to change into polar coordinates. So given only circle equation x square plus y square equal to 9. 9 means 3 square. Here small r equal to 3. So we have to change into polar coordinates. Polar coordinates are x equal to r theta, y equal to r sin theta. Here r equal to 3. So let x equal to 3 cos theta and y equal to 3 sin theta. Dx equal to minus 3 sin theta. So cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta and dy equal to sin theta differentiation is cos theta. So dx equal to minus 3 sin theta d theta, dy equal to 3 cos theta d theta. So x comma y two variables are changed into the single variable theta. So we want the limits, theta limits. Theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. So given circle is x square plus y square equal to 9. This is the closed circle. In circle equation, we have to take limits 0 to 2 pi. That's why theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. So integral f bar dot dr bar equal to integral 0 to 2 pi. Now substitute x equal to 3 cos theta, y equal to 3 sin theta, dx equal to minus 3 sin theta d theta and dy equal to 3 cos theta d theta. Integral 0 to 2 pi 9 sin square theta plus 9 cos square theta minus 18 sin theta cos theta plus 9 sin theta cos theta d theta, that equal to 9 sin square theta plus 9 cos square theta is 9 minus 18 plus 9 is minus 9 sin theta cos theta d theta. Then separate two integrals. First integral is 9 integral 0 to 2 pi d theta and minus 9 integral sin theta cos theta d theta. So 9 integral 0 to 2 pi d theta minus 9 integral sin theta cos theta. So we have the formula 2 sin theta cos theta. That's why we have to multiply and divide with 2 minus 9 by 2 integral 0 to 2 pi 2 sin theta cos theta d theta, that equal to 9 d theta integration is theta with the limits 0 to 2 pi minus 9 by 2 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta integration is minus cos 2 theta by 2 with the limits 0 to 2 pi, that equal to 9 into, substitute the limits, upper limit is 2 pi minus lower limit is 0 plus 9 by 4 cos 2 theta, theta means 2 pi. So cos 4 pi minus cos 0, that equal to 18 pi plus 9 by 4 cos 4 pi. Cos 4 pi is, value is 1 minus cos 0 is 1. So that equal to 0. So final answer is 18 pi.